Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Cadillac SRX Premium Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z7760A. Only 40,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this SRX brand new, crystal red in color. The SRX is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors for additional safety, power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear, with a removable privacy cover. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. It has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large Q touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphone's Pandora radio app. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below. Heated as well as cooled front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owners. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.